Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BABY token. Now name of the token is BABY and that is also the ticker symbol. This token is on the Solana blockchain, brand new Sol token, fairly new anyways, and is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to talk about a couple different ways that you can get the BABY token, and we're going to go over all the info on this project here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says here they have a market cap of $2.3 million. This token is actually up 36.45% in the past 24 hours, according to DEX Screener. You can find their chart on DEX Screener if you're looking for it. Token price is around 5.2 cents right now. They have $173,000 in locked liquidity. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting very soon here. I don't think it gives an exact date yet. It just says upcoming listing, the BABY token will be listed soon on Lbank. So you will be able to get this token soon on Lbank by... First of all, you would need to download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Lbank and search the ticker symbol BABY, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's other ways to get this token. Lbank is not available in everybody's area in the world. It's not available in every country. So if Lbank is not available in your country, you can get this token off of a decentralized exchange called Raydium. And it is available now on Raydium, so you don't even have to wait until it gets listed on Lbank. You can get it anytime by funding your Phantom wallet or your Coinbase wallet, Coin98, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Fund any whatever decentralized wallet you use. Fund it with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the BABY token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, baby-sol.com. Now, if you look on this Twitter right here, at baby_token_Sol, you will see that their contract address is right there as well. So it says no freeze, no mint, no tax, no ownership, LP burned, Lbank, CertiK audit, CoinGecko, KOLs, partnerships, 24/7, open VC. They have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They just joined Twitter in February 2024. They already have 10,400 Twitter followers, a blue verified checkmark, and 467 tweets. So they're very active on there. Now, if you go to their link tree right here, you'll see that they have their full CertiK audit is linked on there. They have the DEX Screener chart that I was talking about there. Their web page is linked on there. There's a button that will take you to Jupiter, which is just like Raydium, another decentralized exchange for Sol tokens. They have their Telegram on there, and they have a full white paper on there as well. So tons of information there. Their Telegram, which is linked on there, has 2,619 members. 370 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more, then check out the Telegram, all their socials, everything there. Now, their white paper is not crazy long. It's only 7 pages long because this is very much just a meme token, as you could tell by the way it looks. Welcome to Baby. Baby arrives the end of the Inu era. Tired of those endless Inu clone coins? Well, the Baby token is here to revolutionize the meme coin world with zero taxes. So basically, if you are going to buy or sell this token from Jupiter or Raydium, any of these decentralized exchanges, it says there's no taxes, so you probably will not have to worry about setting slippage. And it says LP burned, contract renounced. It's a movement for the people. Join the Baby revolution. Ditch the old, embrace the new with the Baby token, where community and innovation meet. Be a pioneer in the true meme coin evolution. Ready for change while the Baby token awaits. Now they had a pre-sale, so they have. I'm assuming that was on Pink Sale. So Pink Sale does do Solana tokens now. It's the beta version of their Solana Launchpad. So I think I saw this token on Pink Sale, but it looks like. Anyways, how the token is split up: 75% of the tokens go to the pre-sale and decentralized exchange liquidity. So that would include Jupiter and Raydium. Then we have 10% going to centralized exchange listings like Lbank. 10% of the tokens go to marketing, and 5% goes to team. So yeah, they had a pre-sale where their soft cap was 250 SOL and hard cap was 1,000 SOL. You could check on Pink Sale to see how they did if you want. Just go into the Launchpad list on Pink Sale and then search Baby and then find the Solana token there. And yeah, so launch date for this token was March 5th. That's when their pre-sale ended, and that's when they launched the tokens. Now, on their white paper, they do have a step-by-step instructional page how to get this token off of Jupiter, in case you didn't understand what I was talking about earlier. Their partners are Jupiter, AveDex, DexScreener, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. And yeah, on their web page, I don't know if they have any other information besides, like they have a roadmap on here, but it's kind of a meme roadmap. It just says phase 1 is meme, phase 2 vibe and hodl, phase 3 meme takeover. So they don't have an actual roadmap on here. And yeah, so it's a big disclaimer at the bottom of their page there as well. So you should, always do your own research, do your due diligence. I recommend checking out that full CERTIC audit that is available on their link tree right there. Always check out audits first. And yeah, so you can find this token soon on Lbank. If you want to follow Lbank's Twitter at Lbank_exchange, they will announce when exactly the listing date is, and maybe there'll be some more central exchange listings in the future. But go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.